Hello students, welcome to zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a zoology class of standard 10 chapter 5. Today's topic is food and nutrition of animal. Food and nutrition of animal. Food. To move, to play or do other activities, energy is necessary. We get this energy from food. The substances which are digested and absorbed within the body and help in repairing itself, staying healthy, supplies nourishment for vital activities, protect from diseases and produce heat and energy are called food. Or we may say food is an substance consumed to provide nutritional support for an organism. Then nutrition. What is nutrition? The assimilation nutrients or foods by organism is called nutrition. The assimilation nutrients or foods by living organism is called nutrition. Components of food, we take different types of food. Most of the time this food is complex in form. This food or the components of food we may divide it into 6. Number 1, protein. Number 2, carbohydrate. Number 3, fat or oil or lipid. Number 4, vitamins. Number 5, minerals. And number 6, water. Proteins. Proteins are composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. There are 16% nitrogen in protein. Sulfur, phosphorus and iron are also present in small amount in protein. Types of protein we may divide it into 2. Number 1, animal protein. Number 2, plant protein. Sources of protein. There is a picture of proteins, that means the sources of protein. Animal protein: fish, meat, eggs, cheese, posset, liver, etc. Plant protein: pulses, nuts, bean seeds, etc. is the source of plant protein. Carbohydrates is another important types of food. Carbohydrates are composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen mainly. There is a picture of sources of carbohydrates. Sources: wheat, potato, rice, fruits, vegetable, etc. Classification of carbohydrates. If we follow the table, carbohydrates divided into 3. Number 1, monosaccharide. Number 2, disaccharide. Number 3, polysaccharide. Monosaccharide, composition of monosaccharide when one molecule of carbohydrates is present is called monosaccharide, and the example of monosaccharide glucose sources, that means we may get from honey, fruit juice. Disaccharide, when two molecules of carbohydrates are combinedly formed is called disaccharide. Example, sucrose, lactose, etc. And the sources sugar and milk. Polysaccharide, when many molecules of carbohydrate combines one another is called polysaccharide. Example, carbohydrates, glycogen, etc. Sources rice, atta, potato, green vegetables, etc. Thank you.